Welcome back to the channel. I am the Detail Hot Lap, and we'll be removing sticker on a car glass window. So there's a few things you'll need to do is basically clean it off, get all the dirt and residue off of it with a glass cleaner, a good glass cleaner, and then you want to go ahead and use a razor blade. Usually a flat edge razor blade will work just fine, but I just have this one available to me at this time, so I don't have to go to the store. But it usually comes with like a plastic little handle. I'll flash it up on the screen if you guys need a reference for that. And then we'll just go ahead and get started. This should take no time at all, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So the first thing we need to go ahead and do is spray that. Get a microfiber towel or a shop towel or a paper towel, doesn't matter. Clean this off. Make sure there's no dirt and residue. It doesn't matter about the streaking at this time, just as long as it's clean. Then you want to go ahead and spray it down. Then you want to go ahead and get the razor blade under the sticker and just start pulling it. Make sure you go at a 45-degree angle. You don't go at a steep angle or a shallow angle. And then you should just be able to slowly take this sticker off. Make sure you go slow because this razor blade is really extremely sharp and it'll cut you immediately. So we don't want that to happen. So we're just taking this off. Once we get the sticker off, that residue will probably still be on the car, but if you have issues of this thing drying out, make sure you reapply your glass cleaner so you don't get any scratches when you're going over this with the razor blade. The sticker is coming off pretty easy, not leaving much residue. You can pick up the sticker and do it, but this sticker is very delicate and will tear as soon as you grab it. So I'm just going to let it roll up on itself. Yeah, this does waste a little bit of product, but it's window cleaner. I assure that you guys have plenty of these bottles around, so should be fairly easy. You can just use some alcohol, I believe, if you need to, or you can also use any other window cleaning stuff, and then you could use Goo Gone whenever you're done with this residue. So the sticker is fully off. Yes, there are some residue around here, but we're going to continue getting this off. Okay. Make sure you do not scratch the glass. Make sure you go slow enough so you don't scratch it. Also, that helps with the straight razor blade rather than this guy. You can keep it more flat, but you can still get the job done if. So most of this sticker is off. Now let's go ahead and wipe down the razor blade. And then what we want to go ahead and do is get another paper towel ready. And then we want to go ahead and spray this down again. and just start removing that residue. Now, let's go ahead and get this wiped down. And it looks like we have fully taken off that sticker. Thanks everyone for watching the video. Smash that like button, smash the subscribe button for more videos like this. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.